Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. So you have to just open your Messenger app. So when it's open, you have to on the top left horizontal line of settings, you have to click to circle settings and there is notification and sounds. So you have to click to customize notification and you will check the allow notification is turned on and other settings are will be turned on. So you have to set the bell of your sound, it will be merged. So you will select it any random ringtone and go back and there is ringtone and it will be also you will check it that has been selected ringtone. So you have to check the all the sound settings, you will refresh it once, you will be turn it off and again turn it on for. So you have to turn it on for refresh for sound problem and you have to go back and you will check your Play Store to check the updation of Messenger app. Sometimes it's have to error and problem when you will not have to update, so it will updation, you will click to update your latest version of Messenger app. So when it's done you have to go back and again you have to check in the settings of app and again you have to click to app and there you can find the Messenger app, you have to open it. So you have to clear the cache on the storage and you have to also check the permissions of Messenger. You can all allow the permissions: calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone and storage. It will be all the permissions you have to allow on the Messenger, so it can helps also to resolved. If issue is not resolved you can have to go mechanic and check the mobile of your speaker. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.